One of the keys to a big, full, and complete chest is well-executed chest flyers. Now, the biggest mistake that I see people making, biceps taking over the majority of the movement and not allowing the chest to actually engage. And by that, this is what I mean. Too much of an angle in the arms. I see the chair way too high up, and I see people's shoulders coming up and over to the point where the arms just completely take over the movement. And they'll be going like this. It's such an awkward position to see people in because the elbows are up, the shoulders are up. This is how you fix that. Lower the seat. When executing this movement, you don't want to be pulling the hands round together. You want to imagine that you're hugging a tree. Elbows round, and you're squeezing the chest by bringing the elbows round. You're not pulling the hands round, you're bringing the elbows in like that. Keeping the scapulars down and squeeze into the chest. Now you can see my biceps aren't taking over like this. My chest is doing all the work. Hugging that tree, and you'll build that quality chest that you're after.